Welcome back to the YouTube video. Today we're going over how to get that film look in Final Cut Pro. So if you guys been following along the channel, I've been shooting film for over a year now. I first started with film emulation on my Fuji just because I wanted to get that look, but then I decided to try some film mount. And honestly, I enjoyed the look of it, so I had a lot of fun with it. As you can see, I got right here Kodak 200 little lamp just because I really do enjoy shooting film. So that led me to a rabbit hole to see how I could make my videos look more like film. But obviously you shoot on real film, it gets really expensive, which honestly, like, yeah, it's not worth it if you're just starting out. So I found this company called Dehancer, which is a plugin for Final Cut Pro. So let me jump in and show you how the film emulation works. It looks just like film and it comes with a lot of extra stuff, so let's jump in and show you how to do that. Alright, so once you got your clip, make sure you color grade it before you add any film emulation from Dehancer. So I already have my clip right here, and so you color grade it. As you can tell, this is before, boom, color grade. So now we're gonna add the Dehancer to it, boom. Alright, so my favorite is gonna be Portrait 400, obviously. So looks like boom, like that, and that looks good already. But if you really want, you can make other adjustments, right? See how that looks on your film. What I really do like about Dehancer as well is it comes with halation, so you can choose how much you want it. So depending on what kind of film you shot it on. So let's see, you can see like right here it's like super popping. So if you want to add more bloom to your clips, right, so you can see. So it all depends what you want, right, on your film. There's a film emulation right here. As you can tell, it looks pretty accurate. Like, honestly, like, I have not found anything better than this. This is actual Portrait 400. The skin tones are a little off just because I did use a flash on this one, so without that flash it'll probably be spot on. But as you can see, the backgrounds, like the film grain, it looks like right just like it. Like, honestly, like, they did such a good job with this. So yeah, so Dehancer is a film-like color grading plugin. So it's gonna be the closest thing you can find to emulate film. You have a bunch of film right here that you can choose from, which is honestly a really big selection. And other stuff that you can do, you can have film grain, halation, bloom, film damage, film breadth, gate weave, overscan, vignette, all this other stuff. So honestly, it's worth it. I know they do like a subscription or they do a lifetime. So far I enjoyed it, using it on my footage. It honestly looks like film in my opinion. They also offer an app which you can download and do photos on there too. I believe on this you can do photos too once you got that subscription or the lifetime membership. Let me know if you want me to do a video on the app and I'll go over all the features. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.